Hi everyone again. So this was just a problem with one node. So now I continue on this example. So we finished the previous one, which was E, and now I am going to do F. So what is the number of students who are taller than 177.5 centimeter and shorter than this? So you do probability more than 177, so probability more than 177.5 and less than 185, and then you do probability 177.5 minus 176 divided by 8.1 less than Z, and less than 185 minus 176 divided by 8.1. And many times I see a student, they do minus 8.1 divided by 176. No, you do minus mean and divided by a standard deviation, and a standard deviation is a small number because that's the average distance between the data, so it shouldn't be a compared to the mean value, shouldn't be a large number. So okay, compared to mean. Okay, so here this is the probability 0.185. okay, so this and then this 1.111. okay, and then I do probability 0.19 Z less than 1.11. okay, see, I am here to here. okay, I am here to here, right? okay, oh okay, so here to here, what can I do here? Oh okay, I can say this part minus this part, right? So I can say this part minus this here. Oh okay, so it is probability Z more than 0 less than 1 here, or minus probability Z more than 0 less than 0.1, and then I use the table for each to find the answer. So it is 0.3665 minus 0.0753, which is 0.2912, right? And then it is 0.2912 divided by 1, and how many over 2000? How many over 2000? And then X is 582.4, which is rounded to 582 because it's number of people, I don't go up. Okay, so 582 students are taller than 177.5 and shorter than 185 centimeter. okay, okay, so yes, this one here. Okay, so the next one, which is the last question here, and after that so I'm going to move to Q test. So is this one. See, it says probability, it says how many people are between 169 to 175. okay, so probability X more than 169.5 less than 175. okay, which is probability 169.5 minus 176 divided by 8.1 less than Z less than 175 minus 176 over 8.1, which is probability. okay, so that so that's going to be minus 0.802 less than Z less than minus 0.123. okay, means it's from here to here somehow. okay, so here, right? Let me see. Oh no, it's okay, yes, it's from here to here. Yeah, so I made a mistake there. No, it should be from here to here. Yeah, okay, this one. Oh, okay, what can I do here? Okay, so I can just say whatever happens in left happens in right. Okay, so the same. So it is the same as probability z more than 0. Okay, first I round it. So it is probability, so this and this. Okay, then it's the same as what is happening in that side. See, I do, instead of that part, I do this part. Okay, so the same. Okay, so which is the same as probability happening. Okay, so z more than 0.12 and less than 0.8. Oh, okay, which is probability from 0 to 0.8 minus from 0 to this. Okay, which is 0.2881 when I use the table, minus 0.0478 when I use the table, and the answer is 0.2403. Okay, 0.20, so 2403 over 1, how many over 2000? And then you find the answer. The answer is x equal 480.6, which you round to 480, and you write 480 students. So 480. Okay, so 1 second. After we finish the recording, we get older because of this, all of this happening here. Okay, so 480, so it's very close to that. Yeah, 480 students are taller than 169.5 and shorter than 175 centimeters. So I make sure that I use the unit. See, I am doing for all of them the same strategy. Okay, so I show the unit. Okay, see, I start from probability of x more than, less than, then I move to z, then I calculate, then I round, then I go to the table, then I go to the graph to see what can I do, because I want to reach myself to positive. So I try to reach myself to positive. Okay, so instead of this, which is here, I can move to this, which is here. Okay, and then I find the answer. Okay, so we did all the examples, and now I can go to the Q test. Q test is, let me zoom in. Okay, so Q test tells you if you can reject a data which is far from other datas, if it is far from other datas. Okay, So before I go to the Q-test, make sure you work on these questions. These questions, the answer is given, so make sure you work on it. Okay, that's a good homework. Okay, so can I reject or not? So what do I mean here? So here I want to see if I can reject a number which is far from. Okay, first of all, the sample must be small. It must be normally distributed. Okay, and then I can use it for something that I have doubt about. So what should I do? Arrange them from small to large. You have to know them. You have to know the steps. Then find the difference between the doubtful one and the closest one. When I say difference, means absolute value. Difference should be positive. Oh, so absolute difference should be positive. Okay, means larger, small, minus small. Calculate the range. Range means maximum minus minimum. Maximum data minus minimum data is range. Then you divide them. Then you look at the confidence level. Okay, you look at the confidence level in the question. Okay, so let me show you here. So the confidence level can be, for example, 90% or 99% or 95%. Okay, so and I look at the number of data that I have. For example, if I have six data, so I go here. And if I say, for example, 95%, so I go here, I choose this. If the result that I find here is more than what I see in the table, I say at a confidence level of 95%, I can reject this data, the one that I have doubt about. Okay? If it is not more than, no. So you have to check which confidence level the question is asking. You have to check the table. You have to follow all of these. Arrange, find the difference, find the range, divide, and compare. Make sure you know how many data you have, because you have to use the right column on the table. Okay? So the following data here is given. So it's a weight, 154, 148, 153, 152. So see, I feel this is kind of far from them. So I'm thinking, oh, can I reject it or not? So I have to tell you what is the confidence level. So I would say use the confidence level of 90%. Okay, so first I organize them. This, and then this, and then this, and then this, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So then I find the difference. I find 152.9 minus 148, which is 4.9. 3, I find 154.5 minus 148. Okay, which is the range, maximum minus minimum. Okay, so which is so if I see, for example, 148 is, for example, between two values, you have to find the closest one. Okay, so the closest one, and then find the difference. Okay, so here is this closest. Okay, so here is 6.5. 4, you find 4.9 divided by 6.5, and the result is 0.75. I go to the table. I said 90%. I go to the table. 90%, and how many I have? 5. So it is here, 0.64. Okay? 0.64. I see it is more than 0.64. So I can say at a confidence level of 90%, this data can be rejected. Okay, so what was the data? 140. Okay, so 148.0. There is no unit. Yes, gram per mole. Gram per mole. Yes, molar. That's molecular weight. Okay, so gram per mole can be rejected at a confidence level of, at the confidence level of 90%. So you have to know which confidence level, you have to know how many number you have, and you have to follow all of these to find the to find out if you can reject or not. Okay, these are homework. Okay, so you can work on them. So I am done with this topic here. I think this is video number 4. So make sure you are okay. Just 1 second. Make sure you are just doing practice on normal distribution. These are all good questions. So I wanted to do all type for you in the questions. And so less than, more than, between, and all of these. And wanted to show you everything in detail. If I made a mistake, just let me know. And I appreciate your time.